ogamba nti yadde nga ekisanja ekyokuweereza balonzi ababasindika okubakiikirira kiba kiweddeko oba oliawo ne batafuna mukisa gwakubiri oba ogwokusatu okuddayo okubakiikirira tekitegeeza nti eyo y'enkomerero.
Accept and the rest will be in line. There is someone who said in Luganda, I think he sang a song, and the song goes like, Kiriza chori ensi kugondiri.
And this doesn't matter whether you are leaving voluntarily or forced exit. You have to get to that point of acceptance, accepting in this case that Parliament will come to an end in a few weeks and that you will no longer be a member of Parliament.
Olw'okuba nti obukiise mu Parliament si mulimu gwa nkalakkalira eriyo abakiise b'osanga nga bakyenyumirizaamu kyokka ate waliyo abo abasanze okusoomozebwa okw'enjawulo oluvannyuma lw'abalonzi obutabaawa mukisa mulala okuddayo okubakiikirira. Bano baweereddwa amagezi ag'enjawulo okuva mu bakugu wamu n'abo abaliko abakiise mu Parliament ze tukubye emabega.
It is time to review all your influence starting tonight. There is that business that you left in the village where those people have been feasting and giving you fake records, giving you fake reports. It's time to begin receiving reports and reading them. Let the workers begin to know that this MP has become dangerous since he left the Parliament.
If you insist that your children have been going to school in a Land Cruiser and therefore you don't want to get rid of it, and then one day they are not even aware, the bailiffs come and they have to take some of your property, throw you out of the house, and the children will be even more stressed if they don't know that.
You are going to discover that you need PPDA rules for buying anything when you are out there. Yes. Even when you are buying matoke, you ask for this one, how much is this? What about this one, how much? What about this one, how much? This is Nachitembe, this is Kibuzi, this is... Now, which one is better for you, value for money? Say now, this is the best. Then now you negotiate with that one.
Mu mbeera eno Speaker of Parliament Rebecca Litwala Kadaga naye asabye ababaka abagwa mu ttulu balino naddala abo abadde mu Parliament y'e10 obutagwamu maanyi.
What is the characteristics of that life after Parliament? Of course, it's going to be different. You don't have a program like you have had here. You're not going to committee meeting. You're not going to the plenary. You're not going on a field trip as you have been. So we need to find ways of navigating this new life so that we are able to live comfortably.
Ono era asinzidde wano n'atongoza ekitabo ekirimu ebikoleddwa n'ebituukiddwako ekiyitibwa Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference ekivvuunulwa nti Parliament z'amawanga agali amatwale ga Bungereza. Kinajjukirwa nti Parliament y'amatwale agali aga Bungereza ekyasembyeyo yatuuzibwa wano mu Uganda mu mwaka ogwa 2019 ekirwadde ekisenyiga corona bwe kyali tekinnazinda nsi eno.
Bwe tuva mu Parliament ne tweyongerayo